the RC Hunter, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to do some little mods to the FTX Canyon, and the first mod is going to be this. It's the HBI D-Box 2. What this does is, it's a gyro, and it stabilises the vehicle and it gives you more left and right on the steering. So go and install this and see how it works. And then first of all, take the body off. Let's have a look. What you need to do, you put this on your steering and it should actually work. So let's get into the servo. So let's turn on. This one. No. Could be this one. It could be this one. It might be this one. There we go. So, a bit of adjustment I needed to make. I moved it from down there to up here because it wasn't gyroing properly, and now we have full gyro working properly. Touching this, it's fine. So we have full proper lock on it now. So yeah, there we go. So that's it then. So one gyro in my FTX Canyon. Pretty cool. Just go tidy these little wires up, and I think we've done. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you all later. Ciao for now.